Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to two-side document in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create two-side document. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a text box. Now create a text box. Now create from full page. Now going to the columns option, then click for a two columns. Now click for a again going to the view menu option, then click for a boundaries option. That's it. Now apply from text. Then again other side, now for text. That's it. Then it show create two-side document in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.